Hey guys, my name is Sammy. Welcome to my channel, the #1 place on YouTube for martial artists to improve their training. Now today's video is going to be all about ladder drills, and I put together a whole bunch of different ladder drills that you can do to work on at home. The agility ladder is great to develop more speed and agility and just develop better footwork. The ladder that I have is actually from Samery Martial Arts, and I will leave that link in the description below if you want to order one as well. Footwork is super important for all martial artists, especially if you are wanting to improve your footwork for sparring. These are some great drills. For all of these ladder drills, feel free to do as many or as little, just depends on what level of training you are at. You can go ahead and combine some or just separate them out into different days. It's really up to you and your training plan. I'm just here to give you some different ideas of what to do with your ladder. So make sure that you have some space, grab your ladder, and let's go ahead and get to work on all of these ladder drills. Okay guys, I really hope that you enjoyed that video. It was super fun to make. Make sure that you guys get added to my Facebook group. I will leave that link in the description below because on there we are always sharing different training ideas, drills, and just general tips on martial arts so that we can all improve together. If you do like these drills and you want to see more, make sure that you check out my online courses. If you are into sparring, I have a whole online course with different workouts all the way from warm-ups, stretches, drills, Hogu drills, everything to help you improve in your sparring. I can't wait to see you guys all in my next video, and have an awesome week training, guys. Bye.